I have been inspired, as always, by Shonagh, who does ShowMeMakeup. It's this look right here, the Matte Nudes Eyeshadow Tutorial. It is stunning and flawless, and I took a whole bunch of shortcuts that she did not take. So I'm going to link her video below so you can see the inspiration behind this. I didn't use the same products, again, inspired by, but I just want to show you too how you can take one look that you find on YouTube and then recreate it and make it your own with the things that you already have. I'm going to talk you through obviously how I apply everything and the products and tools that I use in this video, but if you want to see the full face of makeup, there's a link below to my blog that will show you everything I used, and this is the final look. I think it's so pretty, but yeah, let's work through this look and I'll see you soon. So I've already prepped my eyes with some lid primer and powder, and now I'm going in with this lighter shade and putting it in the crease. This is gonna look really messy for a second, but just hang with me. Same brush, a little bit darker shade, and we're gonna go just inside the previous shade and blend like crazy. This took a lot longer. I edited a lot down. Now I'm taking a clean brush and going all over those shadows, making sure they're blended together and all around the edges. Now a darker shade on that first brush, just on the outer corner, and again blending. Now I'm grabbing a different eyeshadow palette with a lighter shade for the lid and inner corner. Now, Shonagh did something brilliant here. She laid down a layer of kind of opaque eyeshadow primer to really get a clear distinction between the darker colors and the lid, which is going to give you a completely different shape, and it's absolutely gorgeous. But she already did that and I wanted to do something different, so I did. And they both work out well, but if you really want, you know, things to look brighter, go ahead and lay down that layer of eyeshadow primer underneath. Now I'm mixing these two colors and going along the lash line. You'll see why in a second, but this is really what makes the eyes glow and sort of helps to blend in that eyeliner we're going to do later. Taking the lightest color, sweeping it under the eyes to kind of bring everything together, and I do usually do this instead of a lower lash eyeliner. I think it just makes everything look open and pretty. Now we're going to take this darkest shade and layer it right on top of everything we just put down. I'm using a slightly smaller brush, so with a little bit sharper point to really get in there. And guess what? Taking that first brush we used and blending. We want to make sure everything is nice and blended. Now I'm taking a little flat brush and some black eyeliner from that second eyeshadow palette, and I'm doing push liner. Basically, I am pushing the pigment into the base of the lashes. This is a foolproof way to apply eyeliner, and I love it. Now I'm going in with some really natural looking eyelashes, Duo Lash Glue. Put the glue on the lashes while it's drying. Curl your lashes, apply the lashes, go back in and curl again. Now I'm going to fuse everything together with some lengthening mascara. This just really makes everything look nice and fluffy and kind of holds everything together. And that's it. That's the look. Those are the eyes. It's my version of it anyway. So if you want to see the rest of the makeup, which I'm showing you here, you can head down below to the link to my blog, and I'll show you all the products. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Shonagh, for inspiring everyone. Check out ShowMeMakeup.